Hi there, this is Mitch Graff, and this is the Business Edge Minute. Do you sometimes feel that your brand is broken? Don't feel bad. It's a common feeling that people get when things seem to stall or not move forward at the speed with which they want. Well, here's a couple of quick tips on things you can do to make sure your brand is alive and well in the world. Number 1, evaluate your logo or brand identity. If it's been more than 5 years since your logo was refreshed, it's time for an update. All businesses need to be doing this every so often to prevent their brand from feeling stale. Number 2, make sure that your business card is representative of your brand. Look at possibly using a better quality cardstock or perhaps a different shape like a square or folded card, and consider getting a treatment like foiling, colored edges, or embossing. And number 3, whatever you do, you must be true to your overall goals and business vision. I invite you to log on to powermarketing101.com for even more great resources. This is Mitch Graff for the Business Edge Minute.